Hello, my name is Festus Ibanugo, a member of C7 Online Marketing Masters, an affiliate marketer and a product reviewer. Today, I'll be reviewing a product that is called Traffic Armageddon by Jax Deep. So, I'll be talking about who needs this product, why you need this product, and why I think this product is important, is good for you. If you listen carefully and you're with me, I'll be going into these things, and then I will also show you our bonus page, because it's important you obtain this product from us so you can also get our own bonuses in addition to Jax Deep's bonuses. Now, what is this traffic Armageddon all about? Most of us must have heard the name Armageddon. It's a familiar name with a city in Israel. So Jax Deep is using the same name here to talk about his product. Now, who needs this product? Who needs this Traffic Armageddon? The person that needs this product is anybody who wants to go into online marketing, or anyone who's already into online marketing, who wants to be able to reach out to his customers, who wants to be getting results, getting sales in his product. Then you need this Traffic Armageddon. So these are the people that need it. Doesn't mean that any other person doesn't need it. Any other person can go into this online marketing if you choose to, but it is solely for online marketing and to hitting customers, getting results. Now, what is this Traffic Armageddon all about? Traffic Armageddon is all about traffic. How to get results using traffic. How do you do this? Jax Deep, he said in his sales page that he will teach you how to do this, because this product is a teaching tool, a teaching product, a teaching software product. So when you obtain this product, he will teach you how you can use traffic to get results, because that is one of the most challenging problems in online marketing. The most challenging problem is how to get customers. How to get customers to buy your product. That is the most challenging part of it. Maybe there's a customer that is somewhere you can't reach because your advert has not gotten to the customer. Jax Deep is saying that if you buy this product, he will teach you how 1 click can lead to 5 clicks. How if with opt-in page, somebody clicks and that clicks, he will multiply it. It has a multiplying effect. He writes about 3 simple steps here. He said 3 short steps to all the traffic you will ever need. He said step 1, you secure your copy at the lowest cost now. That's the first step. Get your copy, because he thinks it's very affordable compared to the benefits. And then 2, copy the done for you funnel and proving strategy. So he has also a funnel and strategies he has already done that's going to help you to build. You have to build your business. The funnel will include even introductions and other things, so you can be able to build your online business. And then 3, unleash a tsunami of buyer traffic instant. This is what this product is all about getting traffic, unleashing. He said it's a tsunami. We were talking about, he talked about Armageddon. He mentioned Armageddon, a city in Israel that is being known as that been the highest war that's being fought there. There's a very high number of war that's being fought in that city of Israel. And now he's talking about this tsunami. We all know, familiar with the word tsunami, of buyer traffic instantly. So what does he mean by that? He means that it's going to be like a chain reaction. When one person clicks at when one person clicks at your ad, then it will now go over to so many people. One will turn into 5, and the more people see your ad, the more chances that you are going to make sales. So, and when this is done, what happened then? You don't need to worry about so many things about commissions or stress. Then you have already built your email, and then you can start making profit from your sales. So those were the things we were talking about. And because online marketing is all about getting results and building emails, making it work. So that is why this product is very, very important. That is why I think you need to buy this product. And why you need to buy these products is so you can make commissions, because without it, it may be difficult for you to make commissions, and you can't grow a list without it. It will be difficult to make money online if you don't obtain this product. So it's good you obtain it. It doesn't have to be when you now build your email list, when you now have your chains of traffic, then you no longer have to struggle for commissions. You don't have to waste your time so much, wasting days and weeks making content no one sees. No more fighting to become a trusted expert, no more worrying about competition. So things will become easier if you obtain this product. It will be easier for you to accelerate your trafficking, accelerate your gains in the business. This is the revolutionary 5x traffic multiplier I'm talking about. So one click leads to 5, then 1:5, 1:5. So it's like a chain effect. So it's chain reaction. So it will be able to make you to skyrocket your results overnight. And that is the essence of online marketing. You want more people to see what you're doing. You want people to buy your product. So that is what Traffic Armageddon is all about. And then we have a wonderful product here that is a complement to his, that will assist you in also be as an alternative assistant to your funnel building, to help you to boost your email. Building your email serves as an introduction, also good intro for those who are starting new. And we're going to also, in these bonuses, review 5 secrets of online marketing, so that people will know. And then we're also going to teach how you can make money with one social network. I'm not going to say it. It's what you're going to get when you buy Jack's Dips product through our own link. Because we're going to be leaving our link at the end of this film. At the end of this video, you can just click down and grab your copy. And just like every other review we have done, we always tell people, it is also not so simple making money online or getting traffic. That's why you need our own bonuses. That the downside is always that you don't act. The downside is, the risk is that you don't act or you don't follow the principles. So, but if you obtain the product, you follow the principles. Jack Dips, he has his own bonuses, a lot of bonuses, and we have included it as number 5 of our own bonus. So he has his own bonuses, and you will get his own bonuses, and then you will also get our own bonuses. And all these bonuses you are getting, they're in form of lessons, they're in form of tutorials, video scripts, so that you can be able to perfect your online marketing. And in this case we are talking about traffic. You will get done for you funnel. You will get a lot of things from here. Front end traffic Armageddon. You get a lot of things. So it's an information product, like I said, that will teach you on how to multiply your traffic. This is the key in this presentation. So that is it. It's a very simple presentation. Like I said, in conclusion, those that need this product are those who are already in online marketing business, who wants to make results, who wants to build their online marketing network. It's like building a network, building a traffic. So you need this product from JustDeep. He will teach you. It's a teaching info on how you can build this, and then couple with our own bonuses. That is where we come in with our own bonuses. If you buy through our link, then you will also get additional bonuses that will complement his own bonuses. And you can also be a subscribe to us. So it's very, very important that you obtain this product. It's for those who wants to get into online marketing, or those who are already into online marketing, who wants to get results. Okay, yeah, very good. Thank you very much. Thank you, and take care. Bye.